We have two black wires connected to this fixture. It's because we have this Jamb box. See that here? It's a Jamb box switch. Means that I don't have a wire, I don't have a lamp here, but we'll test it later on. Means once it's pressed, the light is off. Once it's unpressed, the light is on. We have this tester. This one is hot. Now this black wire is not. That's very essential when we start wiring, and we do not touch the third wire. Take the electrical tape and mark it for the future generations. They'll thank you. Okay, so you can see the light is on because the doors are open. Now let's pretend they're closing. The doors are opening. The light is on. That's how the jump switch works. Let's open it up.